Let's be honest, your edit can have the best effects, but if it doesn't hit the beat, it's just not going to go viral. Most editors struggle with timing because they don't know how to read the audio waveform properly. In this video, I am going to show you exactly how to place perfect beat marks in Alight Motion so your transitions snap instantly. No more manual guesswork, just pure accuracy. Let's get started.
You got me hypnotized by the way you look at me, yeah. Baby, don't you lie, girl, you know your body T, yeah. You show me your pretty girlfriend, who is she, yeah. I'm just trying to know if you wanna be with me, 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 if you wanna be with me. By the way you look at me, baby, don't you like you your body, you should be my big girlfriend, you should know if you to me doesn't even make sense. I'm telling you, you have to feel the music if you wanna dance. I just wanna take you out and go to essence, yeah, yeah. The way I feel your body, oh my, got me in a trance. The way you keep on looking at me, do you need a lens? I don't wanna feel like I'm the only one who cares. Baby, do you care? Baby, do you care? You got me hypnotized by the way you look at me, yeah. Baby, don't you lie, girl, you know your body T. Yeah. You show me your pretty girlfriend, who is she? Yeah. I'm just tryna know if you wanna be with me, with me, with me, with me, with me, with me, with me. If you wanna be with me, with me, with me, with me, with me, with me, with me. If you wanna be with me, you got me hypnotized by the way you look at me.
Sometimes it feels like I should know how to walk on water. Sometimes it feels like I should know how to move the mountains. But the seasons keep on going, and the rivers keep on flowing, and the wind keeps on blowing, and this beat stays in motion.
And that's the secret to getting that pro level sync in every single edit. Once you have your markers set, the rest of the editing process becomes 10 times easier. If this tutorial cleared your doubt, hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more Alight Motion breakdowns. Let me know in the comments what tutorial you want to see next, and don't forget to check out my previous 𝗧𝗵𝗶 tutorial if you want to boost your video quality. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.